Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly attract money and success while others struggle endlessly? What if I told you that just 5 minutes a day could completely transform your financial reality and bring you $10,000 a month or more? Sounds unbelievable, right? But stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how the law of attraction can make this your new reality. The truth is, most people work harder and harder, chasing money, yet they miss the real secret to abundance. It starts in your mind. Your thoughts, beliefs, and daily habits create your financial reality, whether you realize it or not. And the best part? You don't need to overhaul your entire life to see results. Just 5 focused minutes each day can align your energy with the abundance you desire. So, what's stopping you from unlocking your potential? I'm going to guide you step by step, showing you how to reprogram your mind for wealth, break free from limiting beliefs, and take small, inspired actions that lead to massive financial growth. This isn't about wishful thinking or overnight success. It's about mastering the principles that millionaires and successful entrepreneurs already live by. By the time this video is over, you'll not only know the 7 key steps to turning 5 minutes into $10,000 a month, but you'll also feel ready to start your journey today. Because let's face it, the life you want is waiting for you. Are you ready to claim it? Let's begin. Let's talk about the power of just 5 minutes. Most people think that creating wealth requires endless hours of grinding, hustling, and sacrificing every moment of their day. But here's the truth. It's not about how much time you spend. It's about how focused and intentional you are with the time you have. 5 minutes may seem insignificant, but when you use those minutes to align your mind with abundance, they become a powerful tool for transformation. Think about it. Every habit, every major shift in your life starts with a small, consistent action. Spending just 5 minutes a day focusing on your financial goals, visualizing success, and reprogramming your mind can set the tone for your entire day and ultimately your entire life. It's like planting seeds in a garden. You don't need to spend hours watering them. You just need to show up consistently. With time, those seeds grow into something extraordinary. Now, here's where most people get it wrong. They underestimate the power of small, intentional actions. They think, what can 5 minutes really do? But the truth is, your brain doesn't need hours to create change. What it needs is clarity, repetition, and emotion. When you dedicate just 5 focused minutes to visualizing your financial goals, practicing gratitude, or repeating affirmations, you're rewiring your brain to expect abundance. And here's the best part. It's easy. You don't need to overhaul your entire routine or sacrifice your mornings. These 5 minutes are for you. A sacred space to connect with your dreams and start the process of attracting the wealth you desire. The question is, will you commit to them? Because once you do, you'll start to notice subtle but powerful shifts in your energy, your mindset, and the opportunities that come your way. So don't dismiss the power of 5 minutes. They might just be the most valuable minutes of your day. Are you ready to use them wisely? Let's keep going. Let's dive into one of the most powerful tools for attracting wealth: visualization. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. But here's the catch. Most people don't take the time to get clear on what they truly want. They say they want money or success, but they haven't painted a clear picture of what that actually looks like. Without clarity, your mind doesn't know what to focus on. And if your mind isn't focused, neither is your energy. Take a moment and imagine this. You're earning $10,000 a month. Close your eyes and picture it. What does your day look like? What are you doing? How does it feel to have that level of financial freedom? Do you wake up in a beautiful home? Are you traveling to dream destinations? Can you feel the weight of financial stress melting away? The more detailed and vivid you can make this image, the more powerful it becomes. This isn't just daydreaming. It's programming your subconscious mind. When you visualize your goals with clarity and emotion, your brain starts to believe it's real. It activates something called the Reticular Activating System, or RAS, which filters the world around you and helps you notice opportunities that align with your vision. Suddenly, you'll start seeing new ways to earn money, connect with the right people, or create the life you've been dreaming of. The key is to feel it as if it's already yours. Don't just see the money in your bank account. Feel the confidence, the freedom, the security it brings. Your emotions are the fuel that powers this process. Spend 5 minutes every morning visualizing your goals in detail. Imagine the sensations, the environment, the people around you. And don't hold back. This is your moment to create the life you truly want. When you visualize with clarity and emotion, you're not just imagining a better future. You're aligning yourself with it. The more you do this, the more natural it will feel, and the closer you'll be to making it your reality. So, what do you see when you close your eyes? Whatever it is, know that it's within your reach. Let's move forward and keep building this vision together. Gratitude is the ultimate shortcut to abundance. If there's one thing you take away from this video, let it be this. The more you appreciate what you have, the more you'll attract. Most people think they'll feel grateful after they achieve success, but that's completely backward. Gratitude isn't a result of abundance, it's the cause of it. When you start focusing on what's already good in your life, no matter how small, you're sending a signal to the universe that you're ready to receive more. Think about it. How often do you take a moment to really appreciate the money you already have, the opportunities you've been given, or even the smallest blessings in your life? Most of us are so focused on what's missing that we ignore what's already there. But when you shift your focus to gratitude, you instantly change your energy. You move from a place of lack to a place of abundance. And that shift? It's everything. Here's how it works. When you feel grateful, you're aligning yourself with the vibration of abundance. It's like tuning a radio. If you want to hear music, you've got to tune in to the right station. Gratitude puts you on the same frequency as the wealth and success you desire. And the more you feel it, the more opportunities and resources flow into your life. Start simple. Every morning, take 5 minutes to think about 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big. Maybe it's the cup of coffee you had this morning, the roof over your head, or a dollar you found in your pocket. And if you want to take it even further, focus specifically on financial gratitude. Be thankful for the money you've earned, no matter how much it is. Be thankful for your skills, your knowledge, or even the financial opportunities that are on their way to you right now. The more you focus on gratitude, the more natural it becomes. Soon, you'll start to notice blessings everywhere, and as you notice them, they'll grow. That's the magic of gratitude. It multiplies whatever you focus on. So, instead of worrying about what you don't have, start celebrating what you do. It may seem small at first, but it's the first step to unlocking the abundance you've been waiting for. So take a moment right now. What are you grateful for? Feel it deeply and let that energy carry you forward. Gratitude is your shortcut to abundance, and it's always within your control. Let's keep going. Affirmations are one of the most powerful tools to reprogram your mind for wealth. The words you repeat to yourself shape your beliefs, and your beliefs shape your reality. Think about it. Every thought you think, every phrase you say about money, is a command you're giving your subconscious mind. If you're constantly telling yourself things like, "I'll never have enough," or "I'm not good with money," your mind takes that as truth and works to make it your reality. But when you flip the script and start speaking affirmations that align with abundance, everything begins to change. Here's why affirmations work. Your subconscious mind can't tell the difference between what's real and what's repeated. If you keep affirming, "Money flows to me easily and effortlessly," your mind starts to accept that as fact. It shifts the way you think, the way you feel, and even the way you act. Over time, you'll notice that your decisions and actions start aligning with the wealth you've been affirming. But the key isn't just saying the words, it's feeling them. When you repeat an affirmation, you have to say it with belief, even if it feels unfamiliar at first. Speak with conviction, as if the wealth you desire is already yours. For example, when you say, "I am worthy of financial abundance," let yourself feel that worthiness in every part of your being. When you affirm, "Opportunities to create wealth come to me daily," imagine those opportunities already showing up in your life. It's the emotion behind the words that makes the difference. The beauty of affirmations is that they only take a few moments of your day. You can say them while you're brushing your teeth, driving to work, or even right before you fall asleep. These small moments of repetition may feel simple, but they're incredibly powerful. Over time, these affirmations become second nature, replacing old limiting beliefs with new ones that empower you to attract wealth effortlessly. So, what are you telling yourself about money every day? Are your words working for you or against you? Remember, your mind is always listening. Choose affirmations that uplift you, that reflect the abundant life you want to create. Start with simple ones like, I am a magnet for money, or wealth flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. Repeat them daily, feel them deeply, and watch as your mindset and your life begins to transform. The more you affirm your wealth, the more natural it becomes to believe in it. And as your beliefs shift, your reality will follow. Let's move forward and explore how to take these affirmations into action. Now that you've aligned your mind with abundance, let's talk about the step that most people miss: taking inspired action. The law of attraction is incredibly powerful, but it doesn't work without action. You can't just sit back and wait for $10,000 to magically appear in your bank account. The universe will send you opportunities, ideas, and guidance, but it's up to you to act on them. This is where many people get stuck. They think visualizing and affirming is enough, but action is the bridge between your desires and your reality. The key here is inspired action. This isn't about forcing yourself to work endlessly or doing something just for the sake of staying busy. Inspired action feels different. It feels aligned, exciting, and purposeful. It comes from a place of confidence and trust, knowing that the steps you're taking are moving you closer to your goal. When you're aligned with abundance, these actions often feel natural, like a gentle nudge or a spark of intuition pushing you in the right direction. Here's how it works. As you practice visualization, gratitude, and affirmations, your mind will become more attuned to opportunities around you. You might get an idea for a new project, notice a business opportunity, or meet someone who can open doors for you. These moments aren't coincidences. They're the universe responding to your energy. But none of it matters if you don't take action. It could be as simple as sending an email, making a phone call, or researching something you've been curious about. What matters is that you move forward, even if it's just one small step at a time. Action builds momentum. Each time you take a step, you're telling the universe, I'm serious about my goals. And as you build that momentum, you'll start to see results. Maybe not immediately, but the ripple effect will grow stronger and stronger. The universe rewards effort and commitment. And here's the beautiful thing. As you take inspired action, you'll notice your confidence growing. You'll start to trust yourself more, and that trust will lead to even bigger opportunities. But here's something important. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Often, the actions that scare you the most are the ones that will move you the furthest. If an idea excites you and terrifies you at the same time, that's a sign you're on the right track. Lean into it. Remember, you don't need to see the entire path. You just need to take the next step. So, ask yourself every day, what's one inspired action I can take right now? It doesn't have to be perfect or massive. Just one small, meaningful step that brings you closer to your financial goal. When you combine this with the mindset shifts you've already made, the results will amaze you. Opportunities will start to flow, and before you know it, you'll be creating the wealth you've been visualizing. Let's keep going. There's so much more waiting for you. Limiting beliefs are the invisible walls standing between you and the life you desire. These are the stories you've been telling yourself for years, often without realizing it. Thoughts like, I'll never be rich, money is hard to come by, or I'm just not the type of person who succeeds are powerful blocks that keep abundance out of reach. And here's the truth. These beliefs aren't facts, they're just patterns of thought you've picked up from your upbringing, society, or past experiences. The good news? You have the power to break free from them. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. The first step is recognizing these beliefs. Pay attention to how you talk about money, success, and yourself. Every time you hear yourself saying something like, I can't afford that, or people like me don't get rich, stop and question it. Where did that belief come from? Is it really true? Or is it just something you've been conditioned to think? Most of the time, you'll realize these beliefs are based on fear, not reality. Once you've identified a limiting belief, the next step is to reframe it. Instead of saying, "I can't afford this," try asking, "How can I afford this?" Instead of thinking, "I'm not good with money," tell yourself, "I'm learning to master my finances." Reframing your thoughts might feel unnatural at first, but with repetition, it becomes second nature. The more you do this, the weaker your old beliefs become, and the stronger your new ones grow. Here's something important to understand. Your brain believes what you tell it. If you keep feeding it empowering beliefs, it will start to act in ways that align with those beliefs. You'll begin to notice opportunities you used to overlook, and you'll take actions you once thought were out of reach. Your thoughts create your reality, so it's time to think like the wealthy, successful person you want to become. It's also important to surround yourself with people, resources, and environments that support your new beliefs. If you're constantly hearing negativity or being exposed to scarcity thinking, it's going to be harder to make the shift. Instead, seek out books, videos, and communities that reinforce the mindset of abundance. Let those influences inspire and uplift you, reminding you of what's possible. Breaking free from limiting beliefs is a process, but every time you challenge one, you're taking a step closer to freedom. Remember, you are not your past. You are not your fears. You are not your doubts. You are capable of greatness, and the life you want is waiting for you on the other side of those old beliefs. Let's keep moving forward and step fully into the abundance that's already within your reach. So, here we are. You now have the tools to take just 5 minutes a day and completely transform your financial reality. Think about it: visualization, gratitude, affirmations, inspired action, and breaking free from limiting beliefs. These aren't just ideas. They're proven steps that countless people have used to create abundance in their lives. And now, it's your turn. The question is, will you start today? You don't need to have all the answers or see the entire path ahead of you. You just need to commit to those 5 minutes. 5 minutes of focus, intention, and belief. Because when you do, you set powerful forces in motion. Your thoughts, your energy, and your actions all begin to work together to bring you the life you've been dreaming of. Remember, this isn't just about the money. Yes, $10,000 a month is an incredible goal, but the real transformation is in who you become along the way. You become someone who sees opportunity instead of limitation, someone who feels empowered instead of stuck, someone who understands that abundance isn't something you chase, it's something you attract by becoming aligned with it. So, what's your first step? Let me know in the comments below. Tell me one belief you're ready to change, one goal you're ready to claim, or one action you're ready to take today. And if this message resonated with you, don't keep it to yourself, share it with someone who needs to hear it too. The life you want is closer than you think. It's waiting for you to claim it, one step at a time. Start today, stay consistent, and trust the process. Your abundance is already on its way. Let's make it happen.